Welcome to Rider Fusion. Today, we dive into the latest Street Fighter from Hero, the 2025 Hero XTREME 150R. With bold styling, advanced features, and a refined engine, this bike aims to redefine the 150 cubic centimeter segment. Let's check out what makes it stand out. Design and aesthetics. The Hero XTREME 150R embraces an aggressive and aerodynamic design. Its sharp LED headlamp with integrated DRLs gives it a fierce look, while the sculpted fuel tank adds to its muscular appeal. The sporty split-seat setup and LED taillight complete its dynamic presence on the road. Engine and performance. Powering the XTREME 150R is a refined 149 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. With smooth throttle response and a punchy mid-range, this bike is built for both city commutes and spirited rides. Expect improved fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. Technology and features. Hero has packed the XTREME 150R with modern tech. The fully digital instrument cluster now features Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride analytics. With dual-disc brakes and single-channel ABS, safety is a top priority. Plus, the bike offers different riding modes for enhanced adaptability. Ride and comfort. The ergonomics are spot on, ensuring a comfortable yet sporty riding stance. The telescopic front forks and monoshock suspension at the rear offer a plush ride, absorbing bumps effortlessly. Whether you're carving corners or cruising on highways, the XTREME 150R ensures a smooth experience. Final verdict. The 2025 Hero XTREME 150R is a well-rounded package that blends style, performance, and technology. Whether you're a daily commuter or an enthusiast seeking thrills, this bike delivers. What do you think about Hero's latest Street Fighter? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rider Fusion for more exciting two-wheeler content. See you in the next ride.